My name is Kristin Hussey and I'm a postdoc here at CBMR. My background is as a historian of science and I'm also a curator. So the exhibition Body Clocks is actually the result of over 2 years of collaboration between myself, the artist Isabella Martin, and scientists in the ZRAF and Gerhard Heinz groups. The idea behind Body Clocks was to try and take all that research and all that learning and transform it into something for the center, where we were going to take art and humanities research and bring it back into the space that inspired it. There's so much to understand about the way that the body clock influences every aspect of our daily lives, and the scientists are showing how understanding circadian rhythms can radically transform our metabolic health. And I'm really interested in how focusing on circadian rhythms can radically transform art, the humanities, history, and how much bigger this question is really than just biomedical scientific research.
I'm Isabella Martin and I'm an artist. So Body Clocks is an art installation of 4 different artworks displayed throughout the centre here at Paynham. All the pieces take as a starting point this notion of what would the body clock look like, and they're a kind of imaginative dissection of that idea. So as part of my research process as an artist collaborating with the centre scientists, I'm in the laboratory, I'm talking to the scientists over coffee, I'm exploring these spaces, I'm doing my own reading, and I'm taking it all back into the studio, and I'm kind of combining it and trying to see what happens. I'm sort of dissecting these ideas from an artist's perspective, but with the scientist's guidance, let's say. I think for the scientists looking at these pieces, I hope they offer them a sort of different perspective on what they do every day. I hope they give them a kind of imaginative departure, a way to see what they do differently and hopefully think about it differently, and hopefully kind of be a bit playful with how they think. All these works, in a way, try and take the scientists' research and sort of bring it a bit closer to the world. And so I hope that gives the scientists a new experience.